Belai?
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 Makot. Please don't go. No.
Good. Yes, viewers, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, L Boys. So, tinahay no bagay belai no interesting, belai na tong to talk, belai na night to talk, belai na money ko talk. Yes, money ko talk. Nong ni bagay tini tubuy tong mo video, tubuy tong ya, edit pai kai, upload kari ka, tang nor nanya sim baki. So, hairstyle baheng za kasaga di kisa. Mabuti ab se jatre pot kemong ko. Hai ra ke. Kaya ko, abang kali ya we, tabuk video niti salah sini. Tini video reaction to poking nok makana. Both video noto tini video reaction kanya naitong. So, naide paple sak skip kaya we, je channel subscribe kaya ko, subscribe kaya dakti no tabung no kaya di nong ni bagay tiabo kahamang na yamo. Kaya video one channel of haikan na bagay kaya comment kaya lang de. Video no naye, video no related kaya, ke like kaya tapog di, caza kangke, kayo caza gan hindi no, ke caza yang kaba, ini kuno, na kuno saja, ini kelang di, tofano mungsa kaya kelang di, nung jodi comment kaya ni channel, nung bo mungsa manai, comment no, tawana di je manglak reply diklak, sin kaya kelak, am hai kere, kaya yang, so time na we, video nailes na tabuk, omo. Belai mwchang. Yes. Video sini paras kayak itu.
Gentlemen, wherever you are, to Alien Bay TV. Okay.
Welcome.
Hosted.
Nung hai sayang. Hello ladies and gentlemen, whoever you are. Nung cispa nung itong di ang channel no lam suku L Boys channel. Yes. Welcome to my channel.
By yours truly, Kelvin TY. Kelvin TY. Okay, just Kelvin TY. So guys, listen, as you must have seen on the thumbnail and the title.
Title.
I feel like this one might still be a problem, but I'm still going to try to pronounce it because you know what? I love you.
Boy, advance herika problem mano pronunciation ba? But ang try kanya pronounce kaya mana maya. Baba tak try kanya do. Puti ke pronounce kaya tak na idea hai si les that.
And I try and do everything for you. And some of you keep challenging me.
Everything I do for you, Tifu. What do you do for us? Nothing. Only reacting videos and showing us. That's all only. But kun kaya kun kaya ble. The thing is that bo video kaya jungo react kaya funo that's all. Ang wata kaya tong no. I'm giving you back. Yes. Like this video boy rap no this kaya da. Video this. Video this. So boss how did people are not challenge kayo mayang think pele kok saka sali nice ne.
Oh no, he can't pronounce that, but I want to prove you wrong. So let's get into it.
You want to prove?
Belai.
Malia do. Belai. Makot.
You know what? Pronounce it by yourself. Let's get into it.
Mali yang last day pronounce by yourself and so. Tama Belai makachukaki. Di dari nak what? Chana nanya mukhang nanya bin mukhang nanya ber. Anglem. Mani tong kai jat. Thar kam le ganang ke. Maladi meet me. Anyhow, come to our state Tripura, Northeast.
Video guys. Once before we do that, okay, if you are not yet subscribed, if you are watching this right now and you are not subscribed to this channel, my brother, what
finish.
My sister, what exactly?
Subscribing and all finish all enough.
Hit that subscribe button. It's for free. God bless you. With that being said, guys, let's go. That just it. I got nothing more. Let's just go and react to the video. Yeah,
Ako.
I need my earpiece. I forgot.
Yeah, for
now guys, listen, this is one of all those I think, yeah, kokborok videos. I love this company. Like honestly, I've reacted to most of their videos and usually
company kokborok no bo interest nang saktifu. Company kokborok.
Amazing. I like the way they tell stories. It's different from the rest. Yeah.
amo obviously oma sort of different from the rest po mane botam chanai kana mo kokborok chini notice tir prani kokborok album film kokborok movie kokborok jespan kokborok nge boini sa ala desis kapan cimang nai hai si abagai abani bagai like review dite isya comment khay dite isya subscribe khay ko nangai ridi kun rang khok sa nangala angobo video nalikna.
They tell stories. That's why, like, this company, their videos, they usually tell stories. It's not like all those other ones we react to. They'll be like videoing themselves in different locations, but this one they use it to tell stories. That's why I really like watching this channel.
Tini kokborok video ngke emotional tongo te plus video telling stories jat khayo ke jaga location kaba kabang jaga thangai location phuno ko kaham ke babu chana nayo abo sama se babu thajingo. Biba bonai to na aban jolio ama buji ma ba interest na
and I love the subtitles, like, honestly, because it helps me follow. Obviously I don't understand the language, because it helps me follow.
Boss subtitle na ye gan tam chana nai babo kisa buji thika haita ngke bo interest nang sakhapu ding no bo bujia but interest nang sakha haita tele nini nai thongmung no shunani tal no mwchang reja athu piri haike reke jagango nini shamo subtitle pori tongtru belai mwchang jang tang yasu belai nai thok jang tang tam react kaya no अब कुन reaction video खाइदा react si kaya le what bro, what you are doing, man? You are doing reaction on this video, reaction video. Then where's your reaction? Nothing is there, only watching, reading subtitle. That's all. Oh, others will get interest. Do something extra, like I don't want to mention, but okay.
Like, honestly, one thing about this company, like, also as I've said, they are not lazy in telling stories, like using the song to, like, they show you things, and I really like it. Instead of the other one be like, oh, no, hey, your boss and me say
oh boss, singanango touching is imasun nashing tong mani omoda nang wansuk quick tong kaina hane ti singanango reaction hai si tam mane bongni chini video chini kokborok chini video nga ke interest nanja bo jaga wo thanda ke serial babe ke thango but baksa tongo tamo wow bahut garam hai hima haita babono chati mata mane ama haira ko baksa khayo but simple just walking emotional lip sync tongo tam tongo interest nango ama haido chini video ke but buini baksang ke musamung tongo hai belly dance tam babo chati mata so thachingo bo bhai ke re khaika television ai legena
of the other one be like, oh, no, hey, your boss and me.
Yes, oh, Bukuk. Wow.
I mean, it's not I don't like those ones, but this one, I think it's more preferable because
Baba Hamza, I don't like that kind of things, so I don't like that one. But this is popular.
It's like we're almost watching a part of a movie scene, a short movie that has a song in it, which makes sense.
Tini kokborok album ngka kaisa short movie hai kalaifu kaisa short storytelling movie gan by story by mwchang ribu naithokui tlango boini samo mote amo haita abo hain ta kaisa storytelling no sung kaisa gan by khaperi khaya deba shaji baini boya kachari we khapa ship shaw kala khata Mani suruh terus. Nanya ba bini mwchang. Nanya buji ka ba mung sasuk.
If you ask me, I did not see where he dropped that card. I didn't see it. No sir.
Naigede mwchang naigede basa ke bibana interest nangjaka khuk suino puktere mane baba thamche no hoti mata contact me bro, contact me, ID linking now, this, yes, follow there, DM me, will have contact, visit my state Tripura once again. I promise I will make you to talk to this girl, okay? Huh?
You know what makes you so addicted to some of this? When you are watching it, you want to stay to the end and see what happens, okay? But
night on this I play active. Betul reaction tu bina mau atau matong. Aku busi apa? Kalau kun reaction sekali, hai naik tong. Dia mana ni? Langsung saya akan tunjuk sila tunjuk tak ke? Kamu Arab nanya hai. Meni macam ni meni suruh sini. Amazing gitu. Ini am thinking ya. Bro, not good man. React. Something not nice.
snap out of it, man.
Tama.
Snap out of it, man.
Butam sabuji kena beli. Just na part of man, tifu. Mana? Celah sewan suk tongo, tapi no kisah amo haya haya. Je buji timani tamo, je buji mani.
What is happening?
What's happening, bro? Nothing. Kena listen ni bini video pada listen na. Am nang lihat tino ba exactly yang.
Belai mwchang
I feel like this part doesn't make sense because like you just met this person, you don't even know this person, now you're already running. Oh please, don't go.
Tam video pai te betul interest nak huno pada isnan tong mani te interest nangai tabuk se pas ke unexpected hai jamo last time thing na ne bin bukung ne ba bin bukuk pa bopule ka tam sate ase video ka ma ke cheng phaye interest nang lia or last part ni kha pilia tifu ta khai tam to khabo naine musung khona le te bisa nai le na
Makes sense because like
botam sanai do Dori Pajide.
I feel like this part doesn't make sense because like you just met this person, you don't even know this person, now you're already running. Oh please, don't go. No.
Good. Wow.
Great for me. It doesn't make sense. Like to me, it does not make sense. Like seriously.
Like no sensible. Buji sadi. You don't understand? Tell me. You don't
Just
understand?
like that.
Tell me.
She literally came to me, bro.
She literally come to meet boys, tipo. Obviously. first sight. This is called first sight love, bro. This is called first sight love. That's how relationship goes on.
Nothing.
Finish. Bye.
And that was just how it ended. Dang it.
Then
I mean, there are no happy endings in this thing. Like, seriously, there are no happy endings. I want happy endings. Don't you want happy endings? I like happy endings. I didn't see any happy endings here. Like, honestly, it makes no sense to me. Like,
it makes no sense to me, bro. Tam bagi saya man botam sanai kamu. Tam, bro. Video is not same. Video is not how you thought. Botam saka saya man. Video wa last day wa serious mwchang, sadness mwchang, mwchang mwchang pai ma bagai bu interest nang zalia fu. Bo khatam nai khushi ka pai mani nai nang ti futa, khushi ka pai mani. Bujia ba ko te kok thai bujia ba te tam chasina ni subtitle pori wi busuk kaya su bujna sa. Ni basic interest nang lia bro. Your videos are not interest, reaction.
Why? Jesus. So guys, listen. We just finished reacting to that video. I hope you loved it because I thought it was great. If you thought it was great, you should give it a like. Something like that, you know. Drop a like.
Bye. Bini pat pai taban jeng sinai. Bo video nai kira kha. Je interest nang maja kasi mi react khai kya. Pakse react khai liya. Am nang liya. Bini bagai comment. Bini bagai pura comment khai de pura comment. Pura khai de je daine joto se khai de last to je pulian je pai thak jora je nai tong ero khas khai si comment si. Ako ber. O para bis pai kya. So belai hambai mari unor joto no ani video pai thak jora nai mani bagai. Pai thak jora nai mani bagai. Gang kha khayo bin hai ki interest nai jong jak liana. Interest kisa nang jak khana ni kha khayo. So oma hai video bo tebo kaham mang hang ke ang tebo nor no tebo re kaham ke funung nai ke thai boma hai video nang comment ke sari jotor manai mane je possibility ta je man sakta je supply khai man sak ke insta follow khanin ta pok di order the solitong kini ta solitong nai di type khai di follow khai di joton mane jaga joton mane je possibility so ako asuna beleni kok sakana tini okay kha khayo norok thaino hai teisa video no interest nang jakhana hanai no okay like share comment subscribe press the bell notification icon pas box you bukok si tam phamika ako bye take care have a good day yeah